JAIN International Residency School is a concept and idea which I conceived 28 years before. Creating tomorrow's leaders means it's not just about academics, it's just not about passing. So I thought the best way to create a leader is, I was a sportsman. In my school I was not getting the encouragement to play sports.
JIRS stands not only as a school, but it is an institution that understands the aspirations of the students and also helps in changing them or molding them into better citizens, into better leaders.
We have both the national as well as the international curricula. Under the national curriculum we have CBSE, and under the international curriculum we have IBDP and the Cambridge curriculum. Experiential learning is pivotal here at JIRS, and we do this so that we can enable students to establish real-life connections with the subjects and the content taught and make it more understandable for them.
How to keep the mind busy and interesting. So immediate thought was sports. First thing, we created the sports infrastructure, which no residential school in India had about. So it was a new age concept.
Sports is a way of a healthy lifestyle, and it helps in decision making in various uncertain circumstances.
The life of teachers and students is not the same as we find in day schools. We treat our children as our friends at times. We are their mentors, foster parents also.
So keeping this approach what we had of all round, depending on their interest levels and creating the architecture and ecosystem. So we need to create responsible leaders along with skills, along with knowledge. So the show goes on. We continue taking up this mission.